Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the last video. Please do well to subscribe. In today's video, I will be showing you how to administer antibiotics and multivitamin to your bed. As you can see, it is an antibiotic, thiloprene. It helps to fight viruses. It helps to fight bacteria in your bed. Bacterial infections such as CROD, infectious coryza, and other respiratory disease. So how do you administer this thiloprene? As for me, I use almost a spoon of that thiloprene powder and put it in a 3-liter drinking water. And after I put it, I started stirring the powder so that it will go round in the water so that no one will miss out. This thiloprene is a very strong antibiotics. It is a very strong antibiotics. It is water-soluble powder. It helps to fight bacteria in poultry. Thiloprene is a very good antibiotics. And then one thing about this thiloprene, it contains tyrosine tetrate, doxycycline hyclate. It is a very strong antibiotics that fight bacteria in the bed. Now it is afternoon time. In this afternoon time, we apply multivitamin to the bed. As you can see, it is a multivitamin SP. It builds the immune system of the bed, help the bed to grow fast. So how do I administer this one? We use 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon in a 3-liter drinking water. After you have put it, you started stirring it. Continue to turn it so that it will go around. No one will remain mold. As you can see, they are my birds. They are enjoying themselves. Today is making them almost 3 to 4 days. They are enjoying themselves. So you continue to stir the multivitamin. Stir it so that it will not mold. It will go round. This multivitamin is very good. It contains oxytetracycline, which is an antibiotics. It still helps to fight bacteria in poultry, and it still enables the birds to have appetite. So multivitamin is very good, and it is non-toxic. Yes, the bird and the turkey are enjoying themselves. As you can still see in the screen, it is multivitamin SP. It even fattens the bed. It made the bed to be fat. It gives the birds energy. It even gives the birds appetite so that they will have enough appetite to eat food. It is 100 gram meter. Still continue to stir it so that it will go round. Yes. Then after that, you have to cover the drinker and serve it to the bed. As you can see in the screen there, I'm serving the water containing multivitamin to the bed. As you can see, the birds are drinking the water. They are enjoying the water. Yes. So that is it. The birds are enjoying themselves. Yes, sir. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. As I've earlier said, we vaccinated our birds the day we bought them from the storehouse. They vaccinated it with Lasota. The next day, we didn't give them any antibiotics. We just gave them multivitamin. Then yesterday, being Sunday, we gave them clean water. And today morning, we gave them antibiotics in the morning. Then in the afternoon, as you can see in the screen, we administer multivitamin. Thanks for watching.